I like you. You're handsome, smart, and of course, I want a husband like that.
Langsung diungkapin dong.
But
apa nih?
Gimana teman-teman, welcome back to my channel.
Wapete. Oke guys, kembali lagi bersama kita Warpack Team and welcome back to reaction time.
Siap.
Jadi kita bakal reaction Fiki Naki part 3-nya ya, sama Dayana lagi di sini dengan judulnya Babang Rizwan, tolong dibacakan.
Dayana cerita tentang perasaannya.
Yes. Apakah ada perasaan yang terpendam? Iya. Oke guys ya, tapi sebelum itu jangan lupa di subscribe channel kita Warpack Team dan nyalakan loncengnya dan jangan lupa di subscribe ya. Oke guys ya, kalau sudah saya ucapkan terima kasih ya. Oke, tanpa basa-basi langsung saja kita ke reactionnya. Let's go.
All good?
Wes, welcome back Dayana lagi part 3 ya.
Yes.
Ih, cantik banget cuy.
Good?
Dia udah makeup di sini ya, makeupnya sempurna ya.
Yes. Always.
Okay, I'm going to do intro and then you have to repeat that intro. Okay?
Ini tempat baru dia ya, bukan di studionya.
It's in Indonesian language.
No. So it goes like this. Hey, yo, what up, boys and girls? It's your boy Naki here.
Ini opening kah? Lu semut aja.
What?
Kadang ngerti kalau nggak ada subtitle kan?
What up, boys?
Iya, ini nggak ada subtitlenya kok bisa.
Gue sih ngerti tanpa subtitle.
Okay. How? Repeat it again. What's up?
What?
What's up?
What?
Girls and boys, it's your girl Dayana.
Nah, tuh baru ada subtitlenya cuy.
Nice.
Okay.
Openingnya ceritanya
Iya.
tadi.
I just... Now we have 800
By the way, congratulations, 1 million followers.
Woi.
100 followers. That is crazy.
Yes.
Within a few days.
Nah, dalam beberapa hari itu dapat followers.
Then, you got the verified badge.
Langsung private juga kan?
Right? Your
Kayak artis gitu.
Verified.
Yes.
How? I haven't got that yet.
Iya, belum di private sih Pengen.
I don't know actually. I'm just it was really fast, yes, and I'm just living my life, and I don't know what happened in my Instagram. Then I don't focus on it. Yes, and I have a manager who sees everything. What happened?
Kalau udah ada manajer ini, waduh, bawa dunia, bawa.
I didn't know that.
Wait. Hate? What do you mean?
What do you mean?
People hate you?
Yes,
What?
I have so many haters.
Wow. Why?
Gak terbalik kayaknya deh. Masa banyak haters
Okay, I
nih?
have 3 topics of this hate. I have hate about my manager, about my advertising. Advertising. Okay, sorry. About marriage.
Marriage?
Huh? Marriage?
Let me just.
So
What did that say? What did that say about marriage?
Ya.
in my live Instagram, I would say that it's not serious. Okay, I mean, you know, before to get married, you should know his personality. You should love him. You should know him.
Yep.
You know about him everything.
Yeah.
And people think that if we had a video both and they think that we should get married very fast.
Nikah buru-buru maksudnya.
Yeah, I don't understand.
After one video, everyone take it too hard. Take it too serious.
Yeah, I know. Everyone take it too serious.
I like you. You're handsome, smart, and of course, I want a husband like that.
Langsung diungkapin dong.
But
But apa nih?
to be honest, and to be serious, you should arrive to Kazakhstan.
Wah, sebuah kode yang aduh.
When I say
I
that,
should
when I said
know
that I will go to Kazakhstan and visit you, that's real. That's not. I'm not a joke. I'm not joking. That's real.
Siap.
Somebody text me that you will came up after 2 weeks.
Maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Weh, tangan-tangan malu jadi saltingnya malunya.
Okay.
We will wait.
Wes.
That's sweet. Yeah. Okay. A lot of people.
What
I don't
people?
know more about you, and I want to know more about you. Maybe about your, I don't know, a little bit personal, if that's okay. If you don't mind.
Yes, and about my manager. If I have so many followers and first I have so many как сказать, предложения, requests, offers, yes, in Kazakhstan. So
Nice.
why not? You know it because I texted you about this in WhatsApp,
Yep.
and people hate me because I don't congratulate you about your 2 million followers, subscribers
Subscriber.
in your channel, YouTube channel.
Gara-gara selamat Ji.
Iya.
Yes,
Ada terusnya.
but I congratulated you in WhatsApp. Why I should get it in my stories or my publication?
Yeah.
Like,
Enggak lah.
congratulations, Fiki. Of course, I'm happy. I'm glad that you have so many subscribers. But it will be strange if I will text you WhatsApp, then I will post that.
That's so weird.
Congratulations.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let me talk with my viewers for a bit. Okay, jadi Dayana ini kemarin dia itu udah yang ngucapin selamat, dan juga itu Instagramnya sebelum dia kayak, aku boleh nggak sih iklan di Instagram aku? Aku boleh nggak sih punya manajer? Dia nanya loh, dan gimana ya maksudnya itu dia tuh kan gimana ya? Maksudnya itu kan nggak perlu juga sebenarnya, tapi karena dia kayak menghargai aku, jadi dia tanya.
Ya, nanya gitu.
Jadi kalau nggak tahu
Betul.
ceritanya tuh ya udah mending jangan gimana ya, kan juga nggak tahu Dayana orangnya gimana, jadi ya oke gitu aja. Yep, thank you very much for.
Wih, manis itu. Wis,
Okay, I
manis
want to
banget
ask you.
anjir.
Do you have siblings?
Saudara.
Yes,
How many?
I have one sister.
Wis,
and
cantik
I
ini
have
kalau
3
perempuan.
brothers, little brothers.
Wis, 2, 3 berarti 5 orang ya, 5 anak.
Yes.
Dia yang paling tua kan?
Iya.
She's not little. She's 18 too, but she's smaller than me.
Wait, you are 18, right?
Yes.
And wait, are you twins?
No. I should.
Kalau kembar itu bahaya
It's
tuh.
something personality, you know.
Okay, if you can't.
We are stepsisters.
I understand. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
But my brother is not my sister. It's native. Yes.
Your blood siblings.
Yes. But I think that my sister is my blood sister too. Actually.
Yeah.
Ya harus.
That all that matters. Love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I saw your story. You were shooting a video with one of the Indonesian YouTubers. I'm pretty
Indonesian
sure.
guy.
He's a
Indonesian guy.
YouTuber, right?
Ada.
Because I think I've met him
Berpelukan itu.
Iya kan?
Iya, Dayana berpelukan sama itu.
He is studying in my university. You know, it's crazy. He's studying in my university.
What?
Waduh, ada saingan nih, bahaya nih, ada saingan nih. Wah.
Crazy. I've met him.
And really?
Yeah. On Omegle. Chat roulette.
Bahaya.
Bahaya nih. Itu yang pakai kacamata kan?
Me a present.
Ada
Yeah, I know.
laki-laki.
Ih, nak kasih dia lagi.
Incredible.
Indonesia. How did you get that? How did he know you?
Ini bukan panik sih Fiki anjir.
Iya, si Fiki bukan bapak.
Kaget dia
Just
juga.
writing to my manager.
Iya. What the fuck?
Oh.
We should do the collaboration.
Wih, dia aja kolab
Biasa dari
bareng.
kolab ke
What the
Kolab itu pendekatannya dulu, bahaya nih.
About my feelings to Indonesian people,
Okay.
and we had a lot of jokes there. So you will see tomorrow. I hope. Yes.
Oke.
Dalam hatinya nih kayak lucu Fiki Naki.
Kenapa mesti ada romansa gitu di situ? Dekati. Nah, saya belum pakai ketemu.
I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah, thank you. What is your first impression? Like you said that I'm the most handsome boy from Indonesia. Is that
Yes.
true?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
Iya.
Yes, I think that you are smart and handsome. So this is my first
Nah,
impression.
kesan pertama ya.
Thank you very much. And now you know you've known me for I don't know 2 weeks. What do you think?
I don't change my mind.
The same.
Yes, it's still the same.
Thank you.
What about you, by the way?
Jujur ini kalau ngobrol sama cewek lebih enakan ngomong TV daripada video call kalau gini ya. Gimana menurut Anda?
I do remember.
Iya, kalau dari jauh.
This girl is so beautiful.
Nah, enak dilihat ya gitu kan ngobrolnya gitu.
And
Kesan pertamanya.
then when you said that, and then you asked, me to get married, I was like, ooh.
Wow.
Gas lah.
But what if? All right, and you're 18, I'm 20. We're young, right? And it's
Nggak apa-apa lah, beda 2 tahun.
to get married, you know. But what if we have like a good chemistry when I, visit you, and then I don't know, but suddenly we just have a like good chemistry.
I agree that we have
Chemistry.
chemistry, a strong chemistry.
Chemistry is strong ya.
So it's
Yes.
A lot of Indonesians DM'd me. "Oh, when are you going to make another content with Dayana? Blah blah blah. Everyone miss,
blah blah blah.
you know. People miss you.
Okay.
That's why I don't understand why people hate you. They literally love
Mereka
you
pada
so
suka
much.
kamu, kayaknya betul. Kebanyakan suka dia sama si Dayana.
I'll send you the video where I said that we're just friends or something, and we should know each other before we get married or something like. This is not serious. This is for content. And after I said that, people start hating me, and on the comments, they write like, "Start and follow her" and something like this. It's just really hard.
A lot of Indonesians DM'd me. If you don't get married with Dayana, she's going to be really sad. I was like, what, bro?
Yes.
You know.
Yes, I don't know why they think that I really
Really love it.
Like I started that I will start to be sad and I will cry. Yes, this is not true, guys.
Tidak benar.
Love, that's hot. Oh my god, that's long.
This is so dramatic. This is really dramatic.
Yeah. But I like you. Not that I like
Yes.
you. I like you.
Ada salting lagi nih.
I'm not solution with that. Do you hear that? Yes, okay.
You hear that? All right. What about you?
That before.
Hey.
That I like you. I said a lot of compliments along this video. How to say?
Thank you so much.
During this video, yes. So you get it.
So yeah, maybe both of us like each other, but to get married, that's the long way. You have to know
Too early.
personality.
Too early.
Yeah, too early, right? But yeah, I will visit. That's for sure. That's my promise. Pinky promise.
Janji kedua kalinya nih ya.
Iya.
So I did a new manicure to myself. So like it's 5 promises.
5 promise?
5.
Yes, It's just to show my manicure too.
Weh, cuma pamer aja sih.
Like this.
Oh, cantik banget anjir.
Iya. Cantik ini.
Alright, maybe people.
Oh, dia live di Bapak Family nih kambing.
Iya.
Maybe.
I love to sing. Not like I really love this hobby.
Oh, kalau suka nyanyi nih.
Pintar nyanyi juga.
Iya.
Dia main gitar juga bisa.
When I
2
was
years.
3 years.
Alright. You don't want to ask me?
I want to ask
pertanyaan itu
about what is the meaning in Indonesian buaya?
Wah, waduh.
Why you
Who said
Is
that?
this bad word? What does that mean?
That's not bad word. What did that say? The full sentence. Give me a full sentence.
Iya. Buaya.
I don't remember actually. I just saw a lot of messages about why.
Why?
I don't know what is it.
So buaya is maybe like a slang, you know.
Maybe it's bad word.
No, it's not bad word. That's like a slang where a guy who likes to
Nongkrong?
hang out and flirt and do like pickup lines to like every girls.
Boy, playboy.
Playboy.
Nah,
yes, Playboy. Langsung ditahu dikasih tatapan tajam nih.
itu kami ya.
Itu kami ya. Aduh. Wih, cantik banget
I
gitu.
talk video on my TV videos where I talk to girls. You know, that's made.
Nak berpikir langsung.
Pikir dia langsung cuy.
Start jealous. Goodbye again. Like okay, I'm just joking.
Sebentar kita bicara.
Girls, and then, you know, they call me buaya. Like anyway, don't know why. Strange.
Okay. And someone of this of my followers, yes, I don't know why she followed me, but she wrote like, "I hate you very much." I said, "Why?" And she said, "Because my friends tell me that he likes you." I like, why? So why you hate me? And she says like, "He's my boyfriend."
May I know
And I
the
feel
name?
myself so uncomfortable.
May I know the name, please? Thank you very much.
Her name?
Yeah.
It's my Instagram comment. I will send you she's page. That page. Yes.
Please, okay? Please, I just want to know.
Of course. So it was really strange.
And have you gotten any like
Pernah dapat kayak apa nih?
more like DM or comment that you, oh my god, what did I do to deserve
Salah apa sih
this?
aku?
Salah apa sih
That make you
aku?
think what
Kamu mikir
did I
kamu tuh
do
salah.
Iya.
to deserve that?
Yes. It's because of my manager.
Again, your manager.
Yes.
I feel bad for your manager.
Okay. And because of marriage, so they text like, if you playing with feelings, Naki, yes, and
Indonesia.
people, you are so bad and blah blah blah, and like, yes.
Okay, so if you, oh my god, if you got any of that messages again, don't listen to them.
In your yes, in your comments, in your photo, on your photo, someone text like, Dayana have
Star
syndrome. Apa tuh star syndrome?
It's just because
Semacam penyakit kah?
perkara.
why?
Just because you have manager, you have star syndrome.
Yes.
Kayaknya lucu.
It was really sad.
But if you have to be honest,
Apa
like,
nih?
what exactly your feelings right now?
Shit.
Apa nih? Lanjutannya.
Selesai.
Terus selesai. Anjir. Oh, benar.
Каждый день, So can you sing a song for me too?
Hey.
Now I'm nervous. Bintang malam sampaikan padanya.
Sami si Murangke lagi ngambil.
Dibalas dengan lagu bahasa Indonesia.
Tadi memang lagu anu tadi cuy.
Masalahnya saya penasaran kenapa langsung aduh kayak cepet kali nih cok.
Iya, padahal 19 menit ini anjir.
Lupa.
Ini 19 menit ini kita kayak nonton anime ya. Aduh.
Kalau saya saranku untuk Dayana jangan terlalu tanggap itu yang komentar atau DM.
Ya, komentar dari Indonesia memang orang Indonesia itu terkadang terlalu baper gitu, terlalu bukan dia yang ngejalanin, dia yang baper.
Atau mungkin
gitu.
dia lihat di videonya itu yang sama orang Indonesia yang teman kampusnya itu berpeluk yang satu kontennya.
Kalau nggak salah
ya, mungkin rangkut soal Dayana jahat atau bagaimana.
Itu sebuah profesional apa ini profesionalitas ya?
Iya. Jangan terlalu tanggapi lah komentar yang bikin DM.
Mungkin sekian dulu dari video reaction dari kami. Jika kalian suka jangan lupa di like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. See you next time.